Hello everyone, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Get ready for a super fun story. Once upon a time, in a small house, lived a boy named Jack and his mother. They were poor and only had one cow. One morning, Jack's mother was sad. She said, "Jack, we have no money. We must sell our cow." So, Jack took their cow to the market. On the way, he saw a strange man. The man smiled and said, "Hello, young boy. Where are you going with that cow?" Jack said, "I am going to sell her for money." The strange man said, I have something better than money." He showed Jack some colorful beans. "Look, magic beans. If you plant these, something wonderful will grow." Jack was interested. "Magic beans?" he asked. "Yes," said the man. "Give me your cow, and I will give you these magic beans." Jack thought they sounded exciting, so he traded his cow for the beans. He went home happy. "Mother, look! Magic beans," Jack said, but his mother was angry. "Magic beans? Jack, you traded our cow for beans? Oh, Jack, we have no food now." She threw the beans out the window. Jack was sad and went to bed hungry. The next morning, something amazing happened. A giant beanstalk had grown outside. It went up, up, up into the sky. "Wow," said Jack, "a giant beanstalk." He wanted to see where it went, so he started to climb. He climbed up and up. It was a long climb. At the top, Jack saw a big castle. He was a little scared, but he went to the door and knocked. A very big woman opened it. She was the giant's wife. "Hello, little boy. What do you want?" she asked. Jack said, "I'm hungry and tired. Can you help me?" The giant's wife felt sorry for him. "Come in, but be careful. My husband, the giant, is huge, and he eats little boys sometimes." Jack went inside. The giant's wife gave him food. Suddenly, they heard a loud noise. "Stomp! Stomp!" It was the giant. He was huge and scary. "I smell a little boy," the giant said. But his wife said, "No, dear, there is no boy here." The giant ate dinner and then went to sleep. He snored loudly. Zzz. Jack saw a golden hen that laid golden eggs. He also saw a magic harp that played beautiful music. Quietly, Jack took the hen and the harp and ran back to the beanstalk. The giant woke up and saw Jack. He was angry. He chased Jack down the beanstalk. The beanstalk shook. Creak! Creak! Jack climbed down fast. When he reached the ground, he called, "Mother, quick, bring an axe." Jack's mother brought an axe. Jack chopped at the beanstalk. Chop, chop. The beanstalk started to fall. The giant fell down, down, down. Crash! The giant was gone. Jack and his mother were happy. They had the golden hen that laid golden eggs. Now they were rich, and the magic harp played beautiful music in their house. They lived happily ever after. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. The end. Did you like the story? What was your favorite part? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories. See you next time.